Welcome to landsinindia.in. We do properties advertisement on our website. All type of lands are available on our website like agriculture, commercial, etc. For more information about the property, call on 9717706335. Visit the property link from description of the video to get owner or seller contact details. You can measure your land plot in very short period in many units and can keep record readily for your record and reference purpose by this app Lands in India. You can download our app from Play Store, link given in next page. Subscribe our channel for latest videos and download our app Lands in India from Play Store by tapping the link.